Hello students, welcome to the class. Our subject is Nursing Foundation and now we are going to discuss about problem oriented nursing. By the word itself you are able to understand problem oriented. That means there will be some problem with your patient and you are taking all the measures, all the responsibilities to solve these problems. So here nurse take all the measures to solve the problem which is faced by the problem. Nurse take all the measures to solve the problem which is faced by your patient and provide a total qualitative nursing care. The problem oriented nursing deals with the patient's problem and help them to solve their problems. Now this is generally considered as patient care assignment method. Now here nurse need to be very talented and efficient to provide a nursing care to a patient. Now here particular nurse is assigned with particular patient for her duty period, like we call it as a duty shift. So each shift we may find a different nurses. Now patient cannot expect that all the time they will get the same nurse. Now based on their duty shift, based on the patient assignment, particular nurse will come to take care of that patient, and these nurses are efficient, well trained and smart enough to deal with patient problem so that they can provide the best nursing care to that patient. So that's the reason definitely this nurse and patient will develop a good relationship. Well, here registered nurses are self-employed, that they are able to manage any patients. Even student nurses are trained to this process so that they can select the patient, identify the problem and plan the interventions to provide the services, nursing care to that patient. Now here mainly it will go with the flow like assessment, diagnosis, intervention, implementation and evaluation. So even though it's a problem oriented nursing method, we are going with these phases. Assessment, we are identifying a detailed history of a patient, identify information, data collection of that particular problem. Then we are making a diagnosis. Based on the priority, we will diagnose the problem. Intervention, we are planning, we are thinking what can be done for the patient to solve that particular problem. Now we need to identify what is the immediately met needs or which we can delay, like which problem need to be addressed immediately to solve that. So that is depend on the nurse now, because nurse need to understand the patient, then she will be deciding what's the primary need and which need to be met at the beginning. So now here she is making an interventions. After the intervention, after the planning, she is going to implement that, and finally they are doing the evaluation. Now what's the advantages of this problem oriented nursing? There'll be a lot of advantages, because here nurse is able to identify the patient problem, and nurse is efficient, smart enough, well talented, so that she can handle any patient. As how I said, she may take care of this patient whoever assigned to her only during a duty shift. So each time she may get a new patient, new task, new complaints, but she is smart or talented, efficient enough to provide the nursing care. She can meet the nursing need of that particular patient. Also, nurse will develop a good interaction with the patient. They develop a good therapeutic relationship. She can develop a good rapport. Though she'll be there with the patient for a short duration, definitely she is able to develop this rapport. Then there will be a trustworthy relationship. There will be a satisfaction for the patient regarding the nursing care what she has provided. Even the nurse get a better satisfaction that she has given her best to her patient. Now here client may feel more secure, because he is getting the right care. Even nurse also feel comfortable when she is able to do something good for a patient, because she is identifying the problem and working on that problem to solve that problem, so that patient feel relaxed, patient feel relieved from that particular health issues. Now workload is equally divided. As how I said, this nurse is working for a particular period of timing, duty shift, so workload is divided among all, so she is not overloaded with the work, so definitely she can carry over with the responsibilities. Well, registered nurses are self-employed here. Well, nurses, they also learn the quality of accountability and they are more autonomy regarding their work. Now, in critical care setting, nurse can provide a totality of nursing care. Though there will be a small group of patient, a small group of nursing staffs, nothing to worry because they all are extremely talented to perform all kind of nursing cares. Even to meet any kind of emergencies, yes, they'll be ready. So definitely they can provide a qualitative nursing case. So these all are the important advantages of your problem-oriented nursing. They're able to identify the problem, provide the service, more comfortable, more secure, therapeutic relationship, nurse is self-employed, nurse have that autonomy and accountability, patient feel comfortable, patient is satisfied, so everything best. Now definitely there will be some disadvantages like when the workload is more, duty is not equally divided. It may be because of authority where they had not made a proper division of work. Then you are assigned with the 10 patient and these all 10 patients are extremely sick. Then you feel it is overload of work, extremely you are tired. Maybe your same hand, another nurse who has assigned with the 10 patient, all are well and fine, who has got a minor complaint. See, now that will make you to feel more stressed and exhausted. So it will be a very expensive nursing care. It will be a cost effect. It's not a cost effective because you need to each time you need to have a new nurse. If it is shortage of staff, definitely there is no quality of nursing care. Now even the nurse may be well talented, well experienced, but what happened because of overload of work, yeah, personal tiredness, she may neglect the particular nursing care or particular work that may lead to any kind of complication, yeah, what is that, patient's dissatisfaction. So that what can be noticed in problem oriented nursing. Once again I'll tell you, you can get 2 3 at the most 5 marks questions. Definitely you can write all these points, you can get some marks. Please go through, please read the book so that you can write some more points and you can make your answer more beautiful. Thank you.